Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I have a really cool niche for you in the printable market, the birthday printable niche market. Okay. Now the cool thing about birthday printables is that you can create themes for all kinds of different types of birthdays. Also, you have different months, like people, for example, if your customers, if their birthdays fall in November, you can create Scorpio related zodiac birthday printables. I mean, the sky's the limit. There's just so much going on with birthdays because, you know, people have them all the time. So, by the way, if I sound really bad, I'm sorry. I'm just coming off a terrible cold. I can't speak, and I have a cold. I just took the PCR test, so luckily I've ruled out it's not the thing that's going around and destroying the world. It's just your regular run-of-the-mill cold. Okay, with that out of the way, let's begin. First thing I want to do is check out the actual interest in this niche, okay? As you always want to find out what people are looking for, how they're searching, what they're searching for, where these people search online, okay? Now, if you don't have crispy prints, you should get crispy prints, but if you don't have it, then you can follow along for free using Google Trends. Now, Google Trends is much more of a wider net, which is not a good thing because it has search for all types of queries, where in crispy prints, I'm going after just buyer traffic, what people are searching for within e-com sites. Okay, really important difference there. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here birthday games or birthday activities, so on and so forth. It has a max score of 100. That's good news, but I want to whittle it down. I don't want to take it at 100. So I'm gonna go. Here we have some themes: dinosaur birthday games, 21st birthday games. Okay. Let's go with birthday games for adults. The prints I'm going to create today in front of you here, they span from teens to adult. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there. Click search. Okay, let's try that again, and I have a score of 82. Okay, now we whittle it down. We have other different kinds of keywords out here. We have birthday games for adults, women. Outdoor birthday games for adults men, birthday games for adults party. Okay, so let's focus on that. Let's come up here and let's put it in Etsy and see what kinds of different products show up. So here we have a bestseller right here, and here we have this bestseller, and there's a bunch of games printables like this that people are selling on Etsy. And as you can see, people are buying this, customers are buying this. And the cool thing about Etsy is it has its own buyer traffic. People are already searching. You don't have to go out and look for traffic because it's on Etsy, right? That's the beauty about Etsy and other sites like that where you can sell printables and other digital goods. Okay, so here we have a bundle of 5. Okay, that's cool. I want to create a birthday bundle like this. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, if I go to Canva, as you can see, I already have a template laid out. Okay, I want to create a template like this for you. So if you want to follow along, I have timestamps down below so you can jump around to the best parts of this video. If you already know where I'm going with this, by all means jump to the part that you don't know down below. I'm going to click the copy button here. I'm going to delete all this so I can show you how to do it from scratch. Now, if you have a freelancer that you like to hire, he or she should provide you with a template. Okay, here's my template here. This is one people use for crispy prints. Again, you don't need crispy prints. I highly recommend it, but if you don't want to do it with that, you can definitely hire someone to create your template here. And now we're gonna fit our decorative elements within this template. Now, usually I either purchase it or get it off of a public domain site, but for time here, for time saving reasons, I'm gonna just do it off of Canva. So I'm gonna go to elements. I'm gonna put in sprinkles. I already put it in, and I'm gonna add this sprinkle up here. Okay, I just clicked it. I'm gonna drag it on out towards the top, and I want it to take up the header section. Bring it up some more like that. Okay, very simple. Doesn't look like much yet, but it will be. Now I'm going to click on this button, the duplicate button here, and I'm going to swerve this, or actually I'm going to leave it as is, and drop it towards the bottom like that. And I'm gonna duplicate that one again and bring it towards here. Excuse me, towards the side. Bring it up just a notch. And I'm gonna duplicate that. Don't worry, it's not gonna take long. And I'm gonna flip that around, go on the flip section, the flip element here, flip it, and bring it towards the other end, okay? Okay, just like that, very simple stuff. I have no design talent whatsoever, okay? I'm just basically, I'm riffing, that's a good word here, riffing off of what I find here, actually what I found off of Etsy, that's all I'm doing, okay? Now I want a character element here, okay? So let's say I'm creating a baby shower bundle for people who have birthdays that fall in November. That's Scorpio, right? Looks like me, actually I'm a Scorpio. So I'm gonna put in, not that that means anything, but put in Scorpio here. And I got the symbol for Scorpio. Now, of course, I want it to fit. First off, I want to put it where it says theme character here. Depends on whatever template you're using, okay? Of course, I want to change the color so that it fits with the rest of it. So I'm gonna, the cool thing about Canva is that it actually will give you a palette that you're already using. So I'm gonna click this. It must have pulled this color off of the sprinkles that I've been using. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna remove, well actually if you want to create your game off of Canva, you can create, I usually create a bundle of 12. You can create 12, you can duplicate this 12 times and write in your questions, write in the different games yourself by just adding text. But you know, that takes a very long time. Another reason why you want to use crispy prints. Anyways, whatever, I'm gonna delete the header. And here I have the same exact, well, this is actually more sprinkly. I'm gonna duplicate that. Okay, that's better. That's more like it. That's cool. Okay, now I'm gonna download this, okay? Now what I wanna do is go to Crispy Prints, go to the birthday bundle, excuse me. And what I wanna do is simply, first thing, actually I wanna get this color here. Let me get that color. Copy that color, that color code. And I want to select all. I want to drop in that color code there. Select that. And I want to drop in that image the template I just created. I want to drop it in there. Here we go. Drop it in there. I selected all these games. All these games are based off of games that people play with in these types of birthday niches. And I'm gonna click create bundle. I'm gonna wait for Crispy Prints to do its thing. For all 12, it takes about 4 minutes to create a whole bundle. So I'm gonna speed it up and come back as soon as it's done. So here's a completed birthday bundle set of 12. I got around the world. This is how do you say happy birthday in different languages. This is categories, categories. You know, the popular game here is Scattergories, but Scattergories is copyright or trade. Actually, the actual word Scattergories is trademarked by Mattel, I believe. So I use Categories instead. But in your descriptions, in your titles, you can definitely use Scattergories. You can say Scattergories inspired, just as long as it's not in the actual game. Okay, we have baby word scramble. Okay, baby word. Birthday I've never, birthday trivia. As you can see, it looks a lot like the games that are already selling right now off of Etsy. And that's what you want to do. You want to give people what they already want, okay? You're not trying to reinvent the wheel here. You're just trying to give them what they're searching for, what they want. And the beauty about Printables is, number one, you keep most of the profit, right? It's basically yours, right? You don't have to share with anybody. It's not like KDP where they take more than 50% a lot of the time. You're left with like dollars, $2 or $3. With Printables, you take the lion's share, Another cool thing is it's digital. You don't have to like outsource anything from, or sorry, drop ship anything from like Alibaba Express or any of that jazz. It's a really cool way to earn online. So again, if you like this video, let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll create them. Okay, be good, take care, and I hope you enjoy this little niche. Bye-bye.